Hello everyone, today we are going to study what are the demerits of partnership firm, or we can say what are the disadvantages of partnership firm. Now demerits means what? We can say limitations as well. Okay, the first is problem of continuity. Now, what is means problem of continuity? See, the partnership business may face problem of continuity unless provided for continuation of business in the event of death, insolvency, or insanity to any partner in the partnership firm. If partnership agreement does not have provision of continuation of partnership business in case of death, insolvency and insanity, business is liable for the dissolution. Okay, understood. Now the second is absence of legal status. Now what is means absence of legal status? See, in partnership business there is a no separate legal existence of partnership firm. In the eyes of law, both are same. Law does not make any distinction between partners and firm. So there is an absence of separate legal status for partnership firm. In the event of death, insolvency or insanity, partnership firm is liable for the dissolution. Okay. Now the third is disputes. Now, what are the disputes? Disputes are common in partnership business as more than one individuals are involved in various activities. Okay. Now, some partners may or may not agree on the same point, which leads to dispute among the partners. Sometimes what happens? Sometimes dispute may lead to the dissolution of the firm. Okay. Now the next is non-transferability of interest. Here, not a single partner of a business can transfer his share in a business to the outsider without the consent of all the partners in the firm. In general, we can say there is a no non-transferability of interest in partnership business. Understood? Now the next is limitations on number of partners. Now, what are the limitations? Because as per the Indian Partnership Act limits maximum number of partners. No partnership firm can go beyond maximum prescribed limits of 50 partners. Means what are the number of maximum partners? That are 50. This restrict maximum number of partners admitted in the business. Such restriction may affect partnership firm while capital contribution and even in case of a management of a partnership business. The next is difficulty in admission of a partner. Now, how is the difficulty? See, in partnership business, there is often difficulty in admission of a new partner. Admission of a new partner may affect profit sharing ratio of existing partners. Therefore, we can say existing partner may object admission of a new partner in the business. Now, here existing partners may not have full faith on incoming partner. So, we can say this leads to difficulty in admission of a new partner. Understood? Now, the next is unlimited liability. Unlimited liability arises when the assets of the firm are not sufficient to pay off claims of the creditors. The private property of the partners is attached to satisfy such claims. Okay, so we can say there is a unlimited liability. Now the next is risk of implied authority. How there is a risk of implied authority? Because there is often risk of implied authority in partnership business because partners may take undue advantage of managing business on behalf of others, which lead to risk of implied authority. Here we can give the example for example, partners may sign some agreement in his own capacity which may be against the interest of the firm, or partners may take loans or advances without consent of the other partners. So we can say there is a risk of implied authority. Now the next is limited capital. How the limited capital? Because in partnership business there is a less capital as compared to joint stock company. There are restrictions on a number of members which leads to limited capital raising capacity of the business. Limited capital restrict the expansion of the business. Okay, and the last is problem of secrecy. Now, how the problem of secrecy? See, through books of accounts and financial matters relating to business are not required to be published, partnership firm lacks business secrecy. Here, some partners may share confidential information of business to competitors or third parties for getting financial benefits from them. Understood? Now we have seen all the 10 demerits of the partnership firm. Thank you everyone, and if you like the channel, share and subscribe. Thank you.